Are you frustrated because the arrow keys aren't working correctly? Here is the solution.
Hello and welcome to Simple Sheets. My name is Tom, and in this video we are going to be discussing how you can fix the arrow keys not working in your Excel document. Arrow keys are a wonderfully helpful tool if you're trying to navigate from cell to cell inside of your spreadsheet, but occasionally they can break and it becomes incredibly irritating to use the tool when you can't use your arrow keys. In this video, we're going to quickly go through a few ways you can solve this and fix your arrow key problem once and for all. Let's dive right in. Turn off the scroll lock in Excel. Your arrow keys are probably not working because you've unknowingly enabled the scroll lock on your keyboard. So you must disable that feature to get the arrows to work again. Check the light on the scroll lock button of your keyboard to see if this is the case. You can disable the scroll lock without using the keyboard as following.